For professional technicians, staying current with suspension technology is essential for delivering reliable, cost-effective repairs and upgrades. Making the transition from active to passive suspensions may seem like an intimidating prospect, but with the right tools, products, and procedures, it's one you'll find to be straightforward and often a practical solution for improving vehicle durability and simplifying maintenance. Vehicles with aging or failing active suspension systems are prime candidates for conversion. Luxury SUVs and crossovers like the Cadillac Escalade, GMC Yukon, and Chevy Tahoe often benefit from the cost savings. Older performance vehicles with worn-out adaptive dampers can also be excellent candidates for a more reliable and affordable passive solution. Active suspension systems are technologically complex, combining sensors, electronic controllers, and hydraulics. Diagnosing faults often requires specialized equipment and expertise. Converting these systems to passive suspensions with kits from FCS Auto Parts simplifies the architecture, making troubleshooting more straightforward. Mechanical components of passive suspensions are easier to inspect, repair, or replace, reducing diagnostic time and minimizing potential errors. Electronic components in active suspensions are vulnerable to damage from moisture, temperature fluctuations, or electrical faults. By converting to passive suspensions, you eliminate many electronic vulnerabilities, resulting in increased reliability. This shift decreases the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns and extends the lifespan of suspension components, which is advantageous for both repair shops and customers seeking dependable vehicle performance. Conversion from active to passive suspensions typically result in lower maintenance costs over the vehicle's lifespan. They reduce reliance on expensive sensors and electronic modules, which often carry high repair or replacement costs. Swapping out simpler mechanical components also means easier, quicker, and less costly repairs, beneficial for your shop's profitability and the customer's budget. Conversion kits from FCS Auto Parts are designed to be adaptable across various vehicle models and suspension types. This flexibility allows technicians to perform conversions efficiently without extensive customization, making it an attractive upgrade path for a range of vehicles. Properly installed, these conversions can restore or even improve ride quality and handling. Implementing FCS conversions requires understanding the mechanical and sometimes electrical aspects of suspension systems. Understanding the correct procedures and benefits ensures a smooth transition and consistent results. Staying informed about the latest kits and installation techniques keeps your shop at the forefront of suspension repair technology. For professional technicians, converting active suspension systems to passive can be a smart strategy to enhance vehicle reliability, simplify repairs, and reduce costs. It aligns with an approach focused on durability and customer satisfaction, positioning your shop as a leader in innovative suspension solutions. Learn more about kits available to meet your customers' needs at fcsautoparts.com. Thanks for watching.